Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a basic concept. How can you copy a table from one schema to another schema, or how can you actually copy or transfer the data from one table to another table. So the requirement is, let me tell you the requirement or the idea of this tutorial. That suppose if you have worked on SAP HANA, then it is really relevant to you in order to understand, or there are several requirements that you need to transfer the data from one table to another table. Suppose you have in your catalog, you may have multiple schema. Like if I call as schema as ABC and E and our DEF. Suppose you have two schema and one schema having name ABC and the other one has DEF. Now in this table you have a in this ABC schema, suppose you have a table called uh, suppose I'm telling you any table name is vendor. Okay, you have a table called vendor in your ABC schema. Now you want to have the same table or maybe a different table name but having the same structure and same data. How can you do that? So there's a very easy way that you can do that. You can directly write an SQL. First you have to create the structure, a table like vendor. Like you can write like create table like create table, then you have to give table name like vendor DEF like ABC schema name and your table name. So if you execute this statement, then so you can give also like this example DEF dot then vendor name. So if you write this type of statement, then it is going to create another table structure called vendor def and like this structure vendor. So then your table will be created. So in this way you can easily create using this like operator. You no need to use, either there are options for import, and by importing also you can create or transfer the data, but using this statement, this like operator, you can create the structure in SQL. And now if you want to transfer the data of this vendor table into this table, so if you want to take all the data of this table, then just you do like insert into, suppose your current table name is vendor DEF, then you can select all the data, select star from then your table is ABC dot vendor. So if you execute this statement, so what is gonna happen, then it will insert all the data from this table into this table. So now you can utilize this. So what is the idea of that? We are actually taking the data from one schema to another schema, and now you can utilize this data. So for your data modeling, suppose you want to access suppose you want to develop some new calculation view, then in that case, suppose you want to do in your schema for some table, then you can transfer the data into your schema and then you can do the development. So in this way you can do this transferring of the data or transferring of the data structure. So that's all about this tutorial. Thank you, and please look into my other tutorial. I have given the links in the below description. Have a nice day.